Welcome to CVR English. This is Naresh Kumar. Let's watch the regional news. Congress candidate V. Naveen Yadav secured a decisive victory in the Jubilee Hills Assembly by-election, winning by a margin of 24,729 votes. Yadav polled 98,988 votes, while his nearest rival, BRS candidate Maganti Sunita, received 74,259 votes. BJP nominee Lankalap Deepak Reddy finished third with 17,061 votes and forfeited his deposit. Yadav maintained a steady lead throughout all rounds of counting at the Kotla Vijayabhaskar Reddy Indoor Stadium. The bypoll was necessitated by the death of sitting BRS MLA Maganti Gopinath in June due to a heart attack, with his widow Sunita contesting the seat of BRS. This win, the Congress party's strength in the 119-member Telangana Assembly has risen to 66, further consolidating its position in the state.
Shantan.
Following the Congress party's victory in the Jubilee Hills Assembly by-election, Telangana